Today, let me talk about the quotes from Swami Vivekananda. He was an Indian monk and philosopher. He was a chief disciple of the 19th century mystic Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Vivekananda was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts leave, they travel far. They alone live who live for others. Be not afraid of anything, you will do marvelous work. It is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment. Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. All love is expansion, all selfishness is contraction. Love is therefore the only law of life. He who loves lives. He who is selfish is dying. Therefore, love for love's sake, because it is the only law of life, just as you breathe to live. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Strength is life, weakness is death, expansion is life, contraction is death, love is life, hatred is death. Feel nothing, know nothing, do nothing, have nothing, give up all to God, and say utterly, Thy will be done. We only dream this bondage. Wake up and let it go. Comfort is no test of truth. Truth is often far from being comfortable. The fire that warms us can also consume us. It's not the fault of the fire. Today,